welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is always education. Today in this video, I will discuss about the chromosomal theory. That means sex determination. So sex determination. So it is also most important question from second year zoology. So let us discuss the topic. So before that, as usual, please subscribe my channel and like and share it. So let us discuss the what sex determination. Sex determination. Sex determination. So in this sex determination, so actually most of the animals are the one pair of the chromosomes are responsible for the sex determination. So that chromosomes is considered as a what? Sex chromosomes. So other than the sex chromosomes is considered as a autosomes. Okay. So in most of the animals, a pair of chromosomes are responsible for determination of sex. So these chromosomes called as sex chromosomes. So sex chromosomes also called allosomes or also called allosomes. So other than sex chromosomes, called autosomes. Called the what? Autosomes. Okay. So one pair of the sex chromosomes are involved in the determination of the sex. So that chromosome is called sex chromosome. So other than the sex chromosome is considered as a autosomes. Okay. Right. Next one. So first of all, here how can the sex chromosomes and how can we divide as a autosomes here? So these sex chromosomes are distinctly separated by the experiment is conducted by the Henking scientist. The Henking scientist, so he observed the spermatogenesis in the wasp. So during the spermatogenesis, he also observed that, so it traced out the one special structure. So these special structures, 50% of the sperms are the received and 50% of the sperms are not received. So which is the received the 50% that named as a X body. Okay, now and this X body I named as a what? X body. It not explained about the significance of that one. So this X body, after the Henking scientist, many scientists after the experiments, then is finally it concluded as a X chromosome. Okay, now so first of all, Henking scientist, it is by the experiment of this Henking scientist, now it is identified the distinctly separated. A distinct is a what? It is a sex and it is a autosomes and it is allosomes. So how can here perfectly it is what? After the experiment of that Henking scientist. So what is the Henking scientist experiment? It traces out what here traces out? Special nuclear structure during the through the spermatogenesis in wasp. inverse special trace out what here trace out the special nuclear structure. So this special structure, so this structure received structure 50% of the sperms are received, remaining not received, remaining 50% not received. So this structure named as a X body. Then this X body laterally then is considered as a what? X chromosome. So what is here spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis means it is the division. So mitosis, then after the meiosis. So here division they are separately distributed. Actually the division is the what? In the division spermatogenesis first is the mitosis, then meiosis. Okay, then finally equally distribution into the all resulting all the cells after the completion of the division. Though equally whatever it is equally components are distributed. Okay, now so here after the division, so the special structure is the traced out by the scientist. So this special structure, some of the cells are the received the structure and some of the cells are the not received, and which is the received special structure that is the named as a X body. Okay, now for example this division then is the like this. Okay, so here the components, the division then equally distributed. So some of the here the what 50% of the cells are the received and 50% cells is not received. So that is the X body. So Vacant is the what which is the unknown topic is our unknown topic, unknown person we consider as a what X person, X1 like that So here also the named as a X body. Now later is the nowadays is called as a what X chromosomes. Okay and next one. So next scientist Stevens and Wilson. Stevens and Wilson's identified or discovered Y chromosome is Y chromosome as a sex determining chromosome. Okay, so identify the what Y chromosome is as a sex determining chromosome. Y is the considered Y is the sex determining chromosome. Stevens and Wilson. So in mealworm and tenebrio molitor. Okay, so mealworm and tenebrio molitor. So it is the first history of that chromosomes. Okay, first history of that chromosomes. So what is the X and what is the Y chromosome? So here the what if sex chromosomes so similar that is known as homogamitic, and dissimilar it means the heterogamatic. So sex chromosomes if dissimilar so called heterogamity. It means the what X Y like that one. There is a difference and if similar called Homogamity or homozygous, heterozygous. Okay, now homozygous and heterozygous. Okay, now dissimilar gametes is present now. So that is our dissimilar gametes, heterogamete. So if the similar is present now, I call the what? Homogamete. Okay. So this is the sex chromosome. So let's discuss the what heterogamety. So heterogamety discussion, right? Here heterogamete, similar gametes, homogamete means X. X, the gamete is of homozygosity and heterozygosity. Right, next one. Right. So if the same gametes is present, known as the what? Homogamete. If the dissimilar gametes is called the what? Heterogamety. So here heterogamatic sex determination. So let's discuss the what heterogamatic sex determination. The process of sex determination by allosomes or sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes called genetic or chromosome sex determination, chromosomal sex determination or sex determination. Okay, so on the basis of the chromosomes, on the basis of the chromosome, that type of the sex determination is called the what? Genetic or chromosomal sex determination. So in heterogamatic sex determination, one of the sex determination, one sex means male or female, produces similar gametes and one other sex similar gametes and other sex male or female produces dissimilar gametes. Dissimilar gametes. Okay. Sorry. So here in heterogamatic sex determination, one of the sex, it can produce the similar or dissimilar. So other one, it can produce the similar or dissimilar. It means of what? In heterogamatic, one sex compulsory it can produce the similar, and other sex one can produce the dissimilar gametes compulsory. It is one. So that sex is the male or female. In some cases, male is the dissimilar, female is the similar. In some cases, female is the dissimilar, male is the similar. So it is a heterogamatic. So mentioned. So it is heterogamatic sex determination. One sex, that is the male or female, it produces similar or dissimilar, and other sex, male or female, can produces similar or dissimilar. Okay now. So but here one sex, that male or female, it can produce as a what? Similar gametes. It can produce the similar gametes, other one is a produce dissimilar. Okay, right. So heterogamatic is the what? Two types. Heterogamatic sex determination sex determination. How many types here? Two kinds are two methods, two types. So one is male heterogamity and the second one is female heterogamity. So male heterogamity and female heterogamity. So male heterogamity one type and female heterogamity. So here in this one, so in this male heterogamity, so male sex, male have dissimilar gametes, female have similar gametes. Here opposite. Female heterogamy means female. Female in this one, female have dissimilar gametes and male have similar gametes. Okay, now male have the what? Similar gametes. Okay, now so included here two methods, two types. Here also, what are the types here? XX method one, the second one XY XX type. Okay, so here two types. What here? X, XO, XX. Understood? Sorry, just a minute. Okay, so here same, just similar here. What? XX, XO method. Okay, or XX, XY method. Right, just confuse it. So here included how many types here? Two types, XX, XO, XX, XY. Here also same. Included two types or two methods. So one here ZO, ZZ type. Second one ZW, ZZ type. Okay, now so this is heterogamatic conditions. Understood? So let's say the what? Heterogamatic sex determination. So one sex have the similar, other sex have the dissimilar. The two types, male heterogamity, female. So already mentioned in already title is our male hetero means the what? Male sex has the what? Hetero. Female hetero means female sex has the hetero. Okay, understood? And don't confuse it. So you don't fix on that one what male has the difference. So in our case, in our human beings has the what? Male has the dissimilar XY, female has the similar XX, but not in all organisms like that one. Okay, now. So in case of the human beings, what? XY and XX, female has the similar, male has the dissimilar. Okay, but in some other cases, in some other animals, so male have the similar gametes, female has the dissimilar. So okay, that's why two types. So male heterogamity and female heterogamity. Male heterogamity is the what? Male have dissimilar. Here mention the word male hetero. Here mention the word female hetero. So male hetero means male have the difference, the heterogamity, and so female have the similar. So included two types here. Female heterogametes, female have the what? Dissimilar gametes. Understand? Already mentioned the word female hetero. It means female have the different gametes and male have the similar gametes. So included two types here, Z or Z. So here also, why it is the taking the ZW? Why? Because when you taking the same XX one, you are confused. So for better understanding purpose, you are taking the different letters. Okay. So here the ZO, for example, in these cases, which is the similar and which is the dissimilar? These are the similar, XX similar, XO dissimilar. So here dissimilar heterona, in this one, which is the male ones and which is the female ones? So male ones is the difference here and male ones here. Here the what? ZO, ZZ type, ZW, Z type. Na? Here the what? Female heterona. In this one, females belongs to which one? ZO or ZZ? ZO. Okay, now so here female is the what? ZO. Why? Because female heterogamity. So in case of the male, XX, XO, XZ. So here XX, XX is the what? Female. Male. Okay, understood? Let's discuss the what? First is the male heterogamity. So male heterogamety. Let's discuss the first one. Male heterogamety. Male heterogamety. So male heterogamety. So male have the similar gametes, female have the male have the dissimilar gametes, female have the similar gametes. Okay. So here male have what here? Dissimilar gametes. Okay, and female have similar gametes. Female have similar gametes. So male have the dissimilar gametes, female have the similar gametes. Okay, so this is the right. Next one, included how many methods? 2 methods now. Included 2 methods or 2 types. Okay. So what are their methods? XX, XO method 1. XX, XO. The second one XX, XY type. Okay. So first method. The first method is the what? XX, XO type. Okay, XX, XO type. It's seen in this type of the. It's seen in the what? Some insects like bugs, grasshoppers, and cockroaches. So in this one, so what is the karyotype? So male have, so first of all, female have similar gametes. What here? X, X. Male have dissimilar gametes. So without one X chromosome, male have the without one X chromosome, 2 X similar gametes, X similar gametes with double X. With have dissimilar means single sex chromosome, only XO, not have the another X chromosome. So that is not a single X. Right. So karyotype is, so female is a what? AAXX. What is the meaning of AAXX here? Autosomes. Okay, now. So before accept the allosomes, So, remaining all autosomes. So, for last is the what? Allosomes, and before the one autosomes. And male, what here? AA, XO. So, all over on AX complement chromosomes. Similar na, so that's why all is present. So here sperms two kinds. Sperms are the two kinds. Sperms are the two kinds. What here? 50% with AX complement, AX chromosome, and remaining 50% with A complement. Okay, na? So remaining 50% is the with AX and with here no X chromosome. So the sex of offspring depends on sperm fertilized with ova gametes. So which is the similar gametes na? Which is the similar gametes that not involved in the sex determination, and which is the dissimilar gametes that only it can involve in the sex determination. So that is the major fact here. Which one is the dissimilar? Sperms na? So that's why it is the sex of the offspring depends on type of sperms which is the fertilized with the ova. So let's discuss the what here. So female ones, female and male, female and male. So what is the here? Female and male here. Female is the what? AA, and here the what? Male, AA. Okay, right, autosomes. And next one, what is here? X, here X, Y. Okay, now female is the what? AA, XX, male is the what? AA, XY. Okay, now sorry, O na, only one is the O. So two kinds, A double A is the what? Autosomes. Right here the how many type of the gametes here? Only single type of the ova is present. Here how many types are the sperms present? Here two types of the sperms it can possible gametes like this. Okay, so 50% is means what? This is the considered as a AX, and it is a considered as AX. It is a considered as AX, and it is A. Now let's cross the between the here. So here what here? AA, okay, AX, double A, XX. Here the what? Double A, X, O. It means what? So this is the what? And this is the what? And it is a what here? Male or female? So it is a female, and it is male. Okay. So here two types of the sperms is there, AX, A. So 50% on the where? AX. So here the what? So on two kinds, all ova is on AX complement, here AX. Okay, now understood? AX complement, and without here A or AO, same meaning. Okay, so this is, and sperms contain the two kinds, 50% with AX, 50% is the what? AX, remaining with A. So now AX, it means female. So it is the sex of the determining factor. So sex of the offspring depends on the what? Type of AX. So this type of the AX can fuse with the AX can female. This type of that can fuse with the this one, it is what male. So it is the which type? XX, XO. It can seen in the some insects like bugs and grasshoppers and cockroaches. Let's discuss the second type, XX, XO type. Let's. Simple here. Here the word XX, XO type. So let's discuss the what here. XX, XY type seen in human beings and some insects like Drosophila melanogaster. So male have dissimilar gametes. What here? X, Y. Okay now. So female have similar gametes. What here? XX. Okay. And next one, karyotype. Karyotype means the chromosomes, showing of the chromosomes structure like that. So here female. What here? AA means autosomes XX. Male. What? AA XY. So here the what? All ova on AX complement chromosomes and sperms two kinds, 50% with AX and remaining 50% with AY. Okay, and the sex of offspring. The sex of offspring depends on type of sperm fertilized with ova. Okay, the sex of offspring is a type of, depends on the type of the what? Sperm fertilized with ova. So here the same, female as usual. Here just to change the word male, it's contain the what? Y. Okay, and here just change what here? Y. And also here change is the what? Y. Same. So female has the what? AA XX. Male has the what? AA XY. So A is the what? Autosome. What are the possible gametes? Simple. So on single AX. What here? Female AA. So male is the X. So all ova is on the AX with the complement chromosomes. Sperm is two kinds, 50% with the AX complement chromosomes and remaining 50% with AY. So here the what? AX. 50% AX and 50% AY. Two types of the sperms now, two kinds. So this type of the sperms can fertilize with the AX, can it form the female. So this type of the sperms can fertilize with the ova, it can form the male. So the sex of offspring is depends on the type of sperm. Okay, so it is a male heterogamity. Understood? So let's discuss the male heterogamity. Female heterogamity, sex determination. So in this one, female have dissimilar gametes. And male have male have similar gametes. Okay, so included two methods, two types. So one is the what ZO ZZ type. ZO ZZ type. The second one is ZW ZZ type. So two types. So ZO ZZ type and ZW ZZ. First one ZO ZZ type. Okay, so in this one it's found in or seen in moths, some moths like butterflies. Okay, so in this one, so female have dissimilar gametes. It means which one in of this here? ZO. So male have similar gametes. What here? Z. In case of the what male hetero means what? Male has the hetero, female has the similar. Here the what? Female hetero. So that's why female has the dissimilar and male have the similar. So what is the karyotype? Karyotype female is a what here? AAZO. Male is a what? AAZZ. Okay, so here all sperms on what here? AZ. In this one all ova is present. Before type in male heterogamity all ova is on with the AX complementary. Here the what? AZ. Okay now. So here the ova is two kinds. Ova produces two kinds. Ova is two kinds or two types. So 50% on AZ and remaining 50% without one X chromosomes, sex chromosome, it is the AO, lights AO. Okay now. So here sex of offspring depends on type of sperm or ova, type of ova which fertilized with sperm. Okay, here depends on type of ova. In male heterogamity, that depends on type of sperm. So you remember one. So which is the heterogamety? So that is the major factor for the sex determination. Here the female. So let's discuss the what? Cross. So understood now. So here the what? Female and here male. Female. What is the karyotype here? Female and male here. Here what? What here? ZO. Male is the what? AAZZ. And what is the here possible gametes here? Two types of the ova is produces. Here it can produce the how many types of, here only one type of the sperm is produces. Okay, so one here, what is here? A Z, here A O, right? Here A Z A O, here the word only A Z. Now here cross with. So what here? A Z Z. What here? A Z O. Okay, understood. So this is this one. So this is the word male or female? Male. Similar na? So that's why it is a male. It is a dissimilar na? Female. Okay na? So we can observe here. Understood? So this type of. Right. Understood? So here the what? So all sperms are the what? AZ, similar AZ. So here ova is two kinds, 50% on the what? AZ and 50% on AO. So that is a right. Next type, what? ZW ZZ type. So just here say just similar changes, that is a what here. So one is the what? ZY here, seen in the, just only changes here and here, okay, and here and here. So let's repeat. Seen in the what? Some fishes, okay, and reptiles and birds, and also some. So female has the what? Dissimilar gametes. It means the what? Z W. Male has the similar ZZ. Okay, now what is the karyotype? Karyotype of the female AA Z W and male ZZ, same. All sperms on the AZ. Over two kinds. What is the 50% on the AZ, 50% on the AW. So sex of offspring depends on type of ova which fertilized with the sperms. Here what are the changes? Female, male is same. And here the changes what? AZ1 it means ZW. Okay. And what are the two kinds? 50% on AZ, 50% on AW. Okay, now and here same as it is. Here the what? AZ, when this is AZ, and here AZ means here W. Okay, here W. So it is the female. Here the male similar, female is the dissimilar. It is not male. Understood? So sex of offspring depends on the type of ova. Okay, so fertilizer with the sperms. So here the this type of the ova and fertilizer with the this one. This type of the ova fertilizer with this one. So this is so it is a female is out. So it is which type? Sorry, ZW. Okay, so ZW ZZ type. It's seen in the fishes and reptiles and birds. Okay, so this is the female heterogamity. Okay, now so Z second method is a what? It is second method ZW ZZ type. So it is a ZW ZZ and the female is the AZ, female male is the AZs. Okay, so 50% here, 50% here, and here the type of the offspring depends on the ova. So this type of ova it can fertilize with this one, it can produce the male, and this can produce the male. So this is the sex determination. It is the most important for second year zoology. Okay, so second year zoology in genetics lesson, most important for long question. So it is a నా ఎగ్జామ్ మూమెంట్నా, సో ఇది ఎగ్జామ్ మూమెంట్ కాబట్టి సో మీకు యూజ్ అవుతున్న ఉద్దేశంతో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. సో యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకున్నట్లయితే దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. సో ఇన్ ఫర్దర్ డేసెస్లో మేబీ సమ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. సో ఫర్దర్ లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద మై ఛానల్, ప్లీజ్ do subscribe my channel and like and share it. So all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, all the best.